Welcome to New Wave, the international furniture manufacturer that you've never heard of. This is what is so cool about manufacturing.
The history of the company was I worked for my dad and my uncle since 1982, I'm going to say, because they started their company in 1980 here in Beach Lake, Pennsylvania. And in 1991, we were in a recession, nothing like the Great Recession, but a recession. I was the only one working at the company at the time when my dad and my uncle both said, we're done. So I bought the assets of the company and ran with it. The official opening was July 1st of 1991 of the company. It was just by myself in a building 5,000 square feet in Beach Lake. And the name of the company, New Wave, I just started saying it's like a new wave coming through.
My role as COO,
I like rotary machines.
I'm doing a desk right now for Derek Jeter. All of the famous people, I can go on and on. When you see that go out, that's the main thing.
My dad, I'm going to say he was my biggest inspiration.
It would be my father and my grandfather.
I mean, Rudy, he's a big inspiration here.
22 years I've been here now.
20 years.
I love the trade. I was always not one to sit in the office. At the end of the day, I ended up in the office again, but
New Wave is located in White Mills, PA. Go check it out for yourself.